Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sir Mahdi. Welcome to another class of our series. Okay, so in this video I will show you another math, a very easy math, but you have to use your brain to solve that, and that's based on geometry. Okay, so let's get started. So now you can see on the board, and today I am shooting a video in Blackboard. Okay, and of course this is the English version class of our series. So look at the board clearly. I wrote the answer in English. So question, I wrote the problem in English. So let's read the question first. So here you can see E. Sorry. Just focus here. You can see a geometry here. Okay, this is a diagram. This is called in the diagram you can see this is looks like a triangle, rectangle. Okay, and there are so many things, so many lines in rectangle. So first of all we will read the question first. E is the midpoint of AB, okay, and F is the midpoint of CD. Okay, if the area of dark part of the ABCD is 10, what is the area of the triangle ABCD? So mainly they want to know what is the area of the whole surface. Oh, sorry, I mean the whole surface. Okay, you can see a triangle here, rectangle here, ABCD, and mainly they want to know what is the area of this triangle. And given the ABCD is 10, that means the dark part, mainly this is not dark, yellow part. Okay, I think you understood about this, and this is 10. Mainly the area of this is 10. Okay, I have to switch the pen and then I will solve the math. Okay, so first of all, this is not a math tool calculation to using formula then calculate the math. Actually this is not for this type of math. Actually you have to use your brain in this math. So you can see the area of this is 10. Well, and I think you understood this. Then you can see the AB, you don't know the value of anything. Okay, you just know, is there any given? No, there are nothing given in the question. So just given the area of this is 10. Okay, so if you look at the dark part of the rectangle, so you can see this is a type of thing. Actually, if you divide one thing, just I'm showing you, that is, if you divide the E to F, if you divide this, so what will happen? The area of this is 10. Okay, you know that. But if you divide it, so will be this 10? No, this will be 5 and 5. Okay, so in this way, what can you see here? So of course you can write a name of these. Okay, so just like A, B, C, D, E, F, then you also placed 1, but again you will do one thing also, that is, now look at the board. You will divide this in 2 ways. Okay, not only one ways you will divide. Then you can see this divided in 2 parts. Okay, this is correct. And then this part and this part is 5. Okay, but you also divide it in 2 ways. So now you can set a name of these places or points for understanding clearly. That is A, B, C, D, E, F already given. So you can see G, H, and here is 1. You can set is O, then P and Q. Okay, so you will set you can set different things, but I set this anyway. What you can see now, you can see here the EPQ. EPQ is the triangle. The area of this is 5. So you know this, this is the area of this is 5. So of course, since EPQ and then sorry, EFQ, okay, that's not P, that is F. Then you can see PE, and of course if you think about EQ, so that's also the same thing. Okay, that will be also 5 because this is a 10, and if you divide in the middle way, that will be divided in 2 parts, then that is 5. So in shortly, you understood that this is 5 and this is also 5, the whole area, and this area is also 5. So that means BQC, another triangle, is the same thing like this. So you will say also this will be 5. Okay, after that you can see also at the top of that is ADP. ADP also so looks like equals to EFQ. Okay, so this equals to that. So that means this is also 5. So what you got? You got here 5 areas already. So you can write it here now. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals to, what is that? This is 20. Can you calculate? It's very easy. Anyway, after this, we will go to, is it enough? No. How will be this is enough? Because just look at here. You have also, you just work for this way, this way, this way, this way. But you are, if you look at very properly, so you can see this is this place, and this place. These 4 places also already left now. So that's why I placed another line in this place here. So now, if you look at that, I also draw one line in this is called, I mean, straight way. Okay, anyway, I mean up down way. So this divide also in the same way. This will be 5 and this place will be 5. So in the same way, you can see the name of this triangle is PQF. So PQF equals to EQB. Is it? You can see. So this will be also 5, and this is already 5. And if so here this is 5. Okay, but you won't calculate in this place because you already calculated the yellow part in the previous way, but in the second way. Or you can write one thing in this place. Okay, that is case 1. Okay, so this is for case 1, which I wrote here, and then you will also write case 2 or step 2 anyway. So in this place we saw 5, 1, this was 5, and so in the same way this was in the same way this was 5, and again you can see in this place that PQE is the area of PQE triangle is 5. So this will be 5, this will be 5. You got another 4 5s here. So what you will write here? You can write, of course, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is equals to 20. Now if you look at the diagram, you already calculated every parts of this rectangle. So what you will do? You will just add these together. So if you add this together, this was 20, and right now, anyway, if you calculate this, so you will get 40. Okay, so now you can say the 40 is your required answer, because you already calculated everything. If you look at the diagram now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. There was 12 parts and you calculated it. I mean, this looks like 12 triangles, of course. 12 triangles. Anyway, that's not a main thing. The main thing is you calculated that in this way. So, and you got the result where everything was 5. And then you can see this is 40 and this is our required answer. So you'll write here answer. Okay, so this was a very easy math if you understand it very clearly. But if you have any more questions, so of course let me know that in the comment box. That is open for you. And of course, share this video with your friends who enjoy English versions classes. And of course, if you need Bengali version, so you can go to my you can view my YouTube channel, and then you can find the playlist of the Bengali version and English version. So you can select then what you want. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.